Hey guys and gals, this is Atif and you're watching my channel Moon333 where I'm posting the trading ideas on different assets and also educational stuff. And do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. Today I'm gonna show you the midterm trade analysis or technical analysis on XRP. And first, I'm just going to take you to the live chart. It can be also the move of XRP for this week. First, I'm going to take you to the 4-hour chart. I have already placed some trend lines on the 4-hour chart to show you the previous move of XRP. I'm just switching to the 4-hour chart. It's taking a little bit time. Let me do refresh it. This is the day chart and this is the 4-hour chart. All right. Here on 4-hour chart, the price action started its movement since 3rd of November 2019 in this down channel, and on 25th of November the price action bounced from the support of the channel and broke out the resistance of the channel, and now it has completed the correction time period, and now it is moving sideways. Here we can see. Now back to the day chart, if we see, because up to the 12 charts, up to the 12-hour chart, all the indicators are turned bullish. Now I'm just going to show you the movement on the day chart. First, if we see the Bollinger Bands, then we can see the price action is getting bounced from the support of this Bollinger Bands. And if we place the RSI, then we can see the RSI is already oversold. And if we see the MACD, moving average convergence, divergence, and we can see the MACD is turned weak bearish from strong bearish. Before that, it was also fluctuated for 1 day here and for 1 day here, but now for since 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the 6th day that we have the MACD turned weak bearish. And if we see the fast length and the slow length of this moving average convergence, divergence, the MACD, then we can see that soon it is likely to cross up. The fast length is likely to cross up this slow length. So that will be a strong bullish indicator. Now, if we see the stochastic, you can see here the stochastic already has given the bull cross. It is in the bull cross. Now I'm going to show you the move of price action. For that, I'm just removing all the indicators. And here we can see that the price action has formed a bullish crab pattern. This is the initial leg. The X to A leg is the initial leg. And A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 up to 0.618 Fibonacci as required for the crab pattern. And B to C leg is retraced up to 0.958 Fibonacci, but we need the retracement between 0.382 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. This should be the projection of A to B leg. But all the other legs are driven as required for the bullish crab pattern. Therefore, I've just ignored this spike, and we can see the price action. The final leg is retraced between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci as required for the bullish crab pattern. And here our leg is completed, and almost this is our potential reversal zone from 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. All right, if this leg would be retraced up to 0.886 Fibonacci, almost up to here, so it would be the bullish bad pattern in that situation. But now the price action is retraced up to 1.618 Fibonacci, between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. So this is the bullish crab pattern. So it is confirmed that the price action is entered in the potential reversal zone, and it will be moved up from here. And our sell target should be the A to D Fibonacci projection, like this, from 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. So this is the Fibonacci projection area of A to D leg. And now we have our potential reversal zone. This is our potential reversal zone, or PRZ area. And this is our potential sell zone. I have also shared the accurate and calculated buying and sell targets in the chart description, which I have shared on the Tradingview. Therefore, I am sharing the link of the Tradingview in the video's description. When you will be on the Tradingview, after clicking on that link, you just need to select the people option from here and write Moon333, which is my username. Then you will be on my portal, on my page, and you can find all of my charts here I have published. And you can search any chart by writing here in the search box. Like, for example, I want to search XRP US dollar chart. Then all my XRP US dollar charts will be available on my screen. Thank you so much, guys. I hope that you have liked the video. If you didn't subscribe the video or my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential, trading ideas, and educational videos. Till the next video, goodbye.